1 minute English speaking challenge about watching TV news. Today I am going to talk about watching TV news. আপনি যদি আপনার স্পিকিং ইংলিশটাকে ইমপ্রুভ করতে চান তাহলে অবশ্যই প্রতিদিন এইভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করুন। এতে আপনার সময় বাঁচবে এবং দ্রুত প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারবেন এবং দ্রুত স্পিকিংটাকে ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারবেন। তবে আপনাকে প্রতিদিনই প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। So you can practice like this. Okay, so before starting the video, I'm requesting you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new more videos. Okay, so now I'm going to start. Watching TV news is good way to stay informed about the world, even the national and international news. We can get new information by watching TV news. I sometimes watch TV news on my TV. It helps me to informed about the world news and real-time update. It also helps me to improve my general knowledge and I can improve my English by watching international channel like BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera. And it also helps me to know the national news like Bangladeshi podcast. However, in my point of view, too much watching TV news is stressful for us because sometimes we get wrong information from this. So we should watch TV news in balanced way and we should not depend on it without main source or real source. So if you watch international or English podcast, you can improve your speaking English. So I refer to you to watch TV news if you are a English learner. So that's all. Assalamu alaikum.